what's been on my mind. Sick and tired of the 9 to 5 in the city light. Hey darling, can I tell you what's been on my mind? Sick and tired of the 9 to 5 in the city light. Hey darling, we could get out of town, see the beautiful world around.
Okay, y'all, we are getting started with some deep fried down south chicken legs. These are going to be deep fried in our Dutch oven. I used a mixture of the Bertolli. Well, I'm going to have to pull y'all up some to show you. I used a mixture of some of the Bertolli. Excuse my dogs, y'all. Some of the Bertolli olive oil. I used a mixture of that with the Smart Balance cooking oil. So we're going to deep fry these. Now, when you deep fry chicken legs, you want to pretty much let them cook for 12 minutes on each side to ensure you get a really good crust, okay? So remember, this is my sweet crust chicken. I don't know how else to term it. This is brown sugar, y'all. So I'm just going to put a little bit of brown sugar in here. If I had to guess, that would be 1/3 cup of brown sugar. And we're going to stir that in there real good. It's almost the weekend, y'all. Almost. I can smell that oil getting really hot now. All right, so that is ready. And that oil is almost ready. So in this flour right here, there are no real measurements on this, y'all. I mean, I am a country cook, and y'all, I just really, a lot of times, I'll go by my heart. But we have Kinder's lemon butter garlic right here. So we're going to dash some of the lemon butter garlic in here. And you know, I would say that it's just a little over a tablespoonful. And then we're going to do some paprika, which I got the wrong one. I like the smoked paprika, y'all. And I like the organic. So it's smoked paprika. I might need to shake that up. So a teaspoon. So we're going to add a little bit of salt in here. And now we're going to stir that up again. Oh, I forgot to tell y'all something. When I do my deep fried chicken legs with the sweet, this is my sweet stuff that I do. What would you call it? I don't know what you call it. Sweet crust? I don't know. It's just been something I've been doing for a while with these seasonings. I got a secret too. When they're done frying, and I put them on my rack right here, you all will see that secret, and it is a nice secret. But ooh, boy, that gets hot, y'all. That gets hot. I know what I should do. I should lay a towel down right here so the flour doesn't go all into my eye. I mean, the eye's not on. Y'all, I had to make more of my macaroni salad because my husband and daughter devoured it in less than 24 hours. So when I upload that, y'all, I'm telling you, that is the bomb. It is good stuff. Really good. Chicken salad turned out really good too. But what else I'm going to put in here? Y'all are going to see. And then, of course, y'all, we got to do garlic powder. That's going to be a teaspoon. And this is one of my favorites for deep fried chicken legs. The Kinder's Bourbon Peach. Oh, y'all. This is some good, good stuff. So I'm going to do probably 2 tablespoons. Now, if I want some heat, see, I'm not doing heat on these. We're going to grind some black pepper into this. But if I did want to do some heat, y'all know what? Y'all know what it would be for me. Slap Your Mama is me. 100%, y'all. 100%. Okay. So I'm going to just stir this up with a fork. And if I feel like it needs more seasoning, I'm certainly going to add more. Y'all know what I do? I smell it. And if it has a really good smell, then I know it's good to go. Y'all, my son don't want deep fried chicken legs. He's just weird, isn't he? I think he is. All right, let's see. I think it could use some more seasoning, so we're just going to top it off with a little more. Definitely the Kinder's Peach, Bourbon Peach. Because I don't want my chicken to have a bland taste, y'all. I want it to taste popping. I want it to be really good. I want it to be country. And I'm going to do a little more smoked paprika. And I need to get my salt. I'll be right back. The way you check your oil to see if it's ready is drop just a little bit of flour. See how that bubbles and is floating on the top? It is pretty much ready. So I am going to grab our chicken. Our first amount of chicken. Hang on, y'all. I'm coming. Just hold on. Hold on. Mistula is on the way. Okay. So I got 4 right now. Okay. So I'm going to put it in the egg that I showed you. Oh, let me turn this light off. Forgot, y'all. So we're going to put it in this egg stuff. The egg batter first. Get it nice and coated. I'm going to need more. I know I am. And then I'm going to lay it and roll it in the flour over here. Who doesn't like fried chicken legs, y'all? If you're country and you're in the South, you gotta like fried chicken legs. And remember, this is not my hot version. This is the sweet version. Okay. Timing is what's really important to really develop a good crust on your chicken. Then we're going to shake off the excess on there. And we're going to drop it in that oil. See that? Already bubbling, y'all. Already bubbling. I'm going to keep one hand free so I don't get flour crust all over it because of the egg. Aren't those sounds wonderful, y'all? I love the sound of cooking food. It's peaceful. Okay, y'all. We are going to transfer the first one we dropped in here to this rack. Now, I will say one thing about deep frying food I don't like is the mess that it makes. Y'all see that? I'm going to take the second one. Look at that, y'all. Y'all know that's beautiful. Gorgeous. Gorgeous. That is the perfect crust. Y'all, I'm going to have a mess to clean up, let me tell you. I might let that one sit in there a little bit longer. We need to add some fresh oil. I'll be back, y'all. Okay, y'all, my last clip got messed up of where I was showing you the did with the honey. So we're just pouring this all over them. You are going to want to do both sides. And I had to put my honey bottle in the microwave, y'all, because it was just soaking gel. Like, I'm like, what is going on with my honey? And that's going to go seeping down into that meat, and that's going to be so good. So good, y'all. All right, I'm going to show you, well, I'm going to take pictures of the chicken, and we'll put it up. We're going to have broccoli and a macaroni salad with it that I made. I had to make one about macaroni salad.
Hey, darling, can I tell you what's been on my mind? Sick and tired of the 9 to 5 in the city light. Hey, darling, we could get out of town, see the beauty.